One thing that I'd like to talk about today is your filters. When you go into Walmart or Home Depot, there's a lot of options. And today I'm going to talk about the majority of your options and the quality of them and what they actually do to your system. This filter is considered a poly filter. Sometimes you'll get this filter with even a metal backing, but it's almost see-through. What I'm going to show here is a demonstration of how well it filters dust and particulates and what it actually stops and doesn't stop. Anything that it doesn't stop, it's going directly into your system, clogging your coil and eventually causing multiple breakdowns and overloading your system and ruining the efficiency. I'm going to grab some dust here, some sand. You can see a lot of dust goes straight through it. Not the best filter. If you have this filter in your home, take it out. Upgrade to at least a pleated filter. Depending on your system, you're going to be forced to either have to use a 1-inch, possibly upgrade to a 2-inch. Here you can see through this. This one is a little more opaque. It's going to stop more debris. But it still allows particulates to go past and get stuck in your coil and your blower compartment. The next step, in a lot of your systems, you'll have a door that has a slot for 2 1-inch filters. Never double up your filters. There's a shelf in there that you can pull out, you can open the door, and you can upgrade to a 2-inch filter. This is more surface area, so as particulates hit it, it's going to take longer for it to clog up. Here's the 2-inch filter. The best filter for you to have in your home is a 4-inch or 4.5-inch thick. This brand is a Honeywell. There's another brand called April Air. There's a few out there. You can order them online. A lot of areas of the country, they call this an annual filter. Here in Lubbock, Texas, we call it a biannual. It's a little dustier here, and you need to change it a little more often. But this will stop all particulates, and it's going to keep your system very clean. As I pour all the dirt into here, you'll have 0 particulates go through the filter. The media on here traps all the dust and the debris, which will lengthen the life of your system. This is AirTex U. I'm Josh Brown with AirTex Heating and AC. It's really nerve-wracking.